Hi, I learned something new today. I've always wanted to be able to use voice typing on my computer or laptop like I can with a cell phone. And today I found out how to do that using the Windows key and the H key. When you push those two down together, it turns on voice typing. And as long as you've got a microphone on your PC or use the built-in one on your laptop, you can type with your voice. You can start and stop it and use the keyboard and your mouse to edit and change it how you want. So let's try it out. Let's open up our browser and get the Gmail going. Now we just press the H and the Windows key together. You want to put the cursor in a box where you want to enter the information and press the microphone button to turn on the microphone, and you see on the screen that it takes right off, typing what you talk in, period. When you're done with it or want to stop, you can turn off the microphone. This will work in Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, Messenger, anywhere that you want to type something into your computer. You can turn on this voice typing box. Even in WordPerfect, Microsoft Word, give it a try and let me know what you find. Tell me if this is helpful or send me questions if I can help. Thanks. Good luck.